So this is the all new Tic Watch E3 from Mobvoi, which is kind of affordable smartwatch from the company, being priced at $199 US, that offers latest Wear 4100 series chipset and 1 GB of RAM. Plus a little side note for you guys that this is the only second smartwatch in the market right now with this chipset after the Tic Watch Pro 3. First of all, let's see what's inside the box, and the box itself is kinda compact with Tic Watch E3 branding at the top. On either side of the box we have some key features of this smartwatch. Anyways, lifting up the box, here we have our smartwatch. Keeping it aside, further we have some paperwork along with this charging cable which has a magnetic connector. So it's not fully wireless charging, but the charging speed will be definitely faster with this way. So let's boot up the watch for the first time. By the way, if you don't know, this Tic Watch is having the same chipset which is being used in the Tic Watch Pro 3, and it is about 80% faster than previous Wear 3100 series chipset. The user interface is fast, the animations are super quick with this new chipset. Setting up the watch was not a difficult process. You have to just install Wear OS application from Google on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, first of all we will talk about the design and build quality of the watch. Initially looking at it, you might think this is a metal casing, but in reality the watch has this plastic casing with matte finish on the back, which is a good thing for those people who prefer a lightweight watch on their wrist, as it will help you to track your sleep without getting uncomfortable due to its weight. The watch is about 47 grams in weight and it is about 12 mm in thickness, with diameter of the dial being about 44 mm. So it is a really compact and lightweight watch. By default we have these rubber bands which are okay for workouts as they will not absorb any kind of sweat. Plus you can also swim with this watch as it offers IP68 rating. On the front we have this 360 by 360 LCD panel instead of an AMOLED one which is present like on the Tic Watch Pro 3, Watch Active 2 and the Fossil Generation 5. So don't expect any pitch black color here with the watch faces. But once again, this is an affordable smartwatch while others are flagship ones from their respective companies having much higher price tag. Feature wise, the display still has an always on display mode that has an average outdoor visibility. Now moving on to the health features, this watch has exactly the same health options which are available on the Tic Watch Pro 3. We have heart rate monitoring sensors on the back which can monitor 24-hour heart rate, and by 24-hour I mean this watch takes a reading after every 15 minutes of interval. Also we have blood oxygen sensors on this watch which are capable of taking SpO2 readings in the background after every 1 hour of interval. The results sometimes are accurate and sometimes not, as it definitely depends on the way you are wearing the watch on your wrist. Further we have Tic Sleep, Tic Exercise, which by the way has a lot of predefined workout modes. Next we have Tic Hearing, which like the Apple Watch uses the microphone to calculate the noise level in your surroundings. Then we have the Tic Breathe, which helps you to reduce stress levels by taking deeper breaths. So these were the main health features being offered with this watch, and they will work out of the box, so you don't have to wait for any kind of update or approval for these features in any part of the world. The watch with its 380 mAh battery provided me about 1.5 days of battery life, which I think is okay for a budget smartwatch. Further you can turn on essential mode that can extend battery life by a huge margin. So guys, these were some of the main highlights of this watch from Mobvoi. I hope you like this video. If you want to buy Tic Watch E3, you can check the link down in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.